Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, let's discuss regarding the web development roadmap to 2024. So we all know that many people are waiting for the date of joinings, and some people are waiting for the offer letters, and some people are even waiting for the interview results from many months. And some of the people are even on bench from 1 year. So my best suggestion would be utilize this time for upskilling. So like learning new technologies that are aligned with the industry, and then doing hands-on live projects. Having the good skills and good projects in your resume makes that shortlisted easier. So you all know that. So now where to learn and what to learn. So you all know that there are many platforms that are offering different courses. Now let me tell you about the Odin School. Fast track your career with live instructor-led bootcamps. Odin School offers you amazing live instructor-led bootcamps on data science, React web development and digital marketing. So you can see they have 4000 plus active learners with 500 plus hiring partners, and you can also hear their success stories who have been successfully placed. So if you want career transition, or if you have career gap, or if you want to upgrade your career, or if you want career launch, so Odin School is your right choice. And what's cool about Odin School is they don't just leave you hanging after the bootcamp. Nope. They have got a dedicated placement team playing matchmaker with over 500 plus companies like Capgemini, PepsiCo and the cool cats at Sutherland. Odin School has everything you need to take your career to the next level, from live instructor-led classes, hands-on projects and labs, 500 plus hiring partners to unlimited job opportunities. You can also check out the student reviews and industry recognitions of them. I am giving the link in description. So in the beginning of the video itself, I have mentioned regarding the upskilling and learning new technologies. So what are those tools and technologies when coming to web development? You might heard of the terms React.js, React Native, Redux, HTML5, CSS3, Flexbox, Bootstrap 5, jQuery, JavaScript, etc. etc. Today we are diving into the exciting world of web development with a bootcamp that got us buzzing, Odin School's React Web Development Bootcamp. Now, if you are looking to spice up your career with some web development magic, Odin School's got your back. The React Web Development Bootcamp is a 3-month roller coaster of learning and hands-on fun. And guess what? It's not just for tech gurus. Recent grads from all walks of life are welcome. And get this, classes are on the weekends. So if you are thinking, can I do this while keeping my day job? Absolutely. Weekends are your playground. Now, what exactly are you gonna learn in this bootcamp? As I already told, brace yourself for a tech buffet. You are going to learn HTML5, CSS3, Grid, Flexbox, Bootstrap 5, Tailwind, jQuery, JavaScript, ECMAScript 6, Visual Studio, React.js, Redux, React Native, Surge or Netlify deployment, and the grand finale, the capstone project. But wait, there's more. Odin School's career services are like your secret weapons. They have got workshops to polish your workplace skills, mock interviews to boost your confidence, and regular job fairs where you can strut your stuff in front of those 500 plus hiring partners. So, what makes this bootcamp pop? Well, it's not your typical snooze fest. You are getting live sessions with pros, industry experts dropping knowledge bombs, and a hands-on project-based approach that keeps you on your toes. Plus, they are not leaving you hanging after graduation. You get up to 2 years of placement assistance, and you will build a portfolio that will make employers do a double take. Ready to kickstart your web development journey? It's as easy as 1 to 3. Request a call back, get your burning questions answered, enroll, and boom, you are on your way to coding greatness. Trust me, it's like learning the ABCs of the digital world, and you will come out of this bootcamp ready to conquer the web. So if you are ready to turn your passion for web development into a career, Odin School's React Web Development Bootcamp might just be the adventure you have been waiting for. Links are down below. What's so special about Odin School when compared to others? So as I told, there will be live online classes led by instructors, and coming to the bootcamp price, very high value for money, and also there are scholarships, and curriculum will be updated every month as per the industry requirements, and industry aligned projects with project presentation guidance and mock interviews with a dedicated team, and career services including resume building and behavior skill workshops, and also a dedicated support team and unlimited interview opportunities. And also Odin School negotiates for higher salaries on behalf of you. And the course fee will be 50,000, but wait, there are scholarships up to 15,000. So the effective price is only 35,000, which is amazing for the live bootcamp. And don't worry guys, EMI option is also available. You have the flexibility to pay in 3 months installments. And the duration for this live bootcamp is of 3 months. So what are you waiting for? The upcoming cohort starts this December 30th. Go and get yourself registered. I am giving the link in description. Do check out. Thanks for watching the video guys. Do join our Telegram group for all the latest updates. I am giving all the links in description. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel.